This message is transmitted from the Weather Service. We have expect the temperature to be increasing. We don't know why, but this is mystery to solve, and it is the issue to this day. We don't have much information. Please stand by. This message is transmitted from the Weather Service. We solved the issue and the mystery. The sun is getting bigger, which means the more big the more heat. Right now, the temperature is 90 degrees. Make sure you have enough hydration to keep you hydrated. This message is transmitted from the Weather Service. The reports of the sun is now 10 times the size to its original size. Now as you can see, it's getting hotter and hotter until it burns the world. You're gonna feel that you're gonna be in hell. Right now the temperature is 110 degrees. Oh my god. It's so hot. Sorry. More updates soon. This message is transmitted from the Weather Service. The sun is now 100 times its size. It's starting to get red and get hotter. Now the temperature is 200 degrees. Alright. I'm gonna go outside and cook eggs. Oh my god. I can literally cook eggs outside. Let me touch the ground. Oh god. It's so freaking burning and... Sorry, more updates soon. This message is transmitted from the Weather Service. The sun is now red. Now it's 1,000,000,000 times its size. The temperature is now 1000 degrees. Which means it's the end. Oh wait, someone is knocking at my door. Let me check. Oh hi, welcome. Hello sir.
Come outside.
Okay. Oh god. It's burning out here.
I don't care. This message is transmitted from the unknown. All of the world will die due to the heat. This is not a test. I will kill you all and tell why are you to come out. This is the best day of my life. But if I don't get to you, the sun will help, since it's a red giant sun. It will burn your house and you too. And this is a natural